Welcome to this stunning corner plot villa. Next to Roda Golf Course in Los Alcazares, this house sits on a generous 220 square meters plot with 135 square meters of living space. The property offers a perfect combination of contemporary style, comfort, and outdoor living. At the entrance, you're greeted by an elegant L-shaped private pool, perfectly positioned to enjoy sunlight all day. Next to the pool is a retractable covered toldo, providing shade for the outdoor dining area. The front garden features a sun-lounging space and an additional seating area under a second retractable toldo. The property also includes a private parking area at the rear, a garden shed, and rear gate access. Step inside to discover a bright and airy open-plan living space. The living room is filled with natural light from large patio doors, seamlessly connecting the interior with the outdoor areas. The fully equipped modern kitchen features high-quality Beko appliances, and a convenient shower room is located just across the hallway. A stylish glass balustrade and marble staircase lead to the second level, enhancing the villa's contemporary feel. Here, you'll find a spacious master bedroom with fitted wardrobes, and across you'll find a second bedroom, also with fitted wardrobes. Down the hall, a third guest bedroom, next to the master bathroom with a walk-in shower. All bedrooms and the living room are fitted with ducted hot and cold air conditioning, ensuring year-round comfort. The third level features a stunning rooftop terrace with breathtaking views of the golf course and mountains. This space is perfect for sunbathing, entertaining, or enjoying picturesque sunsets. It also includes additional storage options with a shed and a storage box. This villa, with its modern design and quality finishes, is competitively priced to sell quickly at just €295,000. This home is ideal for those seeking a stylish and well-appointed property in one of the best locations in Roda Golf Resort, is renowned for its exceptional 18-hole golf course with its lush green surroundings and proximity to the beautiful beaches of the Mar Menor, just a few minutes drive away. Conveniently located near Murcia Airport, shops and restaurants, this property offers an unbeatable lifestyle with everything at your doorstep. For more information, or if you would like to visit this property, please contact Villas for Spain today.